Welcome to Motorcycle Adventure USA. This video is on slow motorcycle operation. Can you ride your motorcycle 20 miles per hour or under without putting your feet down? Exercise number 1. See how slow you can go. First time, no warm-up. That's pretty slow. U-turn in 18 feet. That was about 20 feet. One more time. Let's see how slow I can go. Exercise 2. Trust and believe. Pick up your foot, and when the motorcycle starts to fall, you let your clutch out. Scary. First one, not too bad. If you watch this one, I really nail it. That was just okay. Let's see what this next one brings. This is the one I have trouble with the most, trusting. That was the one. That was the one I nailed right there. That's the way it's supposed to be done. Yeah, well, you keep trying it, I believe, because this is the one that I need the most practice with. Just okay. Okay, next up we have left and right turns. You would think that this would be easy, right? Not so easy for some. The object of this one is I put my front tire right on the end of that line and try to make the sharpest turn I can make. Another left turn, pull up to the line. And sharp turn to the left. Now right turns. And another right turn. This next exercise is called the serpentine. And I have to right there. You preload the throttle. You keep it loaded. Make sure you're in first gear. Cover the brake. Now, as you can see, I'm going in and out of imaginary cones. And we'll go through this one more time. Dipping and swaying. Leaning the motorcycle. Going slow. No putting your foot down. Next exercise is U-turns. And that first U-turn was about 20 feet, but this is going to be almost 18 feet. Oh, just a little over the line. Object is to stay within the two lines at 18 feet. That was wide. Let's see how I do here. That's what I'm working towards, 18 feet. 2 parking spaces. 4 parking spaces wide. That was way wide. The other set at the other end, pretty close. Okay, let's see. Oh, about 19 feet. And that one I almost got it. Almost got it. Now I'm going to try the figure 8 in 4 parking spaces. Pretty good. I'm thinking I'm at about 19 or 20 feet right there. That time I cut myself short. A little wide. Now I'm going to do some figure eights, and I am going to give myself some more room to breathe. So here you go with 3 parking spaces, figure 8, no problem, very easy. Turning my head and eyes. Better to work on the technique in a wider area till you get it down. You don't just go out the first day and try and do 18 feet. This next exercise I'm going to attempt is called the Snowman. The Snowman, yep. I'm supposed to go around in a circle 2 times, but I lose count. That's 1 time. 2 times. Now I'm supposed to come out and do another circle. But I don't follow the rules. I decide to go around 3 times. And now come out and do the other part of the snowman in a circle. 2 times around. Oh, I did it right that time. Once around, twice around, and come out. Now I'll do some snowman a little closer to the camera. That's 1, that's 2. Now I should go out. But no, I go 3 times. And 2 more circles for the snowman. Next up, I added this exercise because I don't have any cones and I can't do any really complex maneuvers, so I'm just going to do a few panic stops and see how I do. There's a U-turn coming up. I always practicing, always practicing. U-turn. Up next, couple of figure eights, trying for that 18 feet mark. Just a little wide. I gotta lean more. Way wide on that one. If you've ever ridden a Springer before, those front ends are pretty heavy, so your arms get a workout. Oh yeah, she's really hot. Yeah, she's really hot. I could hear it tick, tick, ticking. All right, I'm going to shut the camera off, go for a ride, cool her down. Till next time. And that's it. End of the practice session. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and ring the bell, and we'll notify you every time we got a new video coming out. Thank you so much. It's going to be a great riding season.